Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful crochet stitch. This is called the mini bean stitch, also known as the Elisabeth stitch, and I just made a little example here, and also I made a little mug rug, and I'm going to also tell you how you can make this. So I'm just using some cotton yarn and a 5 millimeter crochet hook today. We're going to make a slip knot. And then you're going to make some chains. So just going to do a random number here. It just has to be in a multiple of 2. So I'm going to do 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually, I'm going to do 12, 9, 11, and 12. And then we're going to add 4 more chains. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And in the 4th chain from the hook, we're going to insert the hook. So here's the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. Never count the chain, just here 1, 2, 3, 4, and then insert the hook there. Grab the yarn and pull up a loop. Now yarn over, so just do like this, and then insert the hook in the same stitch, like so, and pull up a loop. Now you have 4 loops on the hook. Just yarn over and pull through all 4 loops, like so. Now to secure this, we're going to chain 1, so chain 1, like so. And now we're going to skip the next stitch, the next chain. So here's the next chain, like here's where your stitch is, and here's the next. Now skip this one and insert the hook in the next and repeat what we did. So grab the yarn here and pull up a loop, yarn over, and then insert the hook in the same stitch and pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. Now chain 1, like so. So this is how it looks. So here, skip the next chain, insert hook in the next one, and repeat. Pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Now yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. This is also known as the Elisabeth stitch. So here, skip the next stitch. Just going to repeat this until the end of the row. So, and then yarn over and pull through. Chain 1 and skip 1. And repeat. So you can make blankets, scarves, or maybe a dishcloth with this stitch, or a pillowcase. So I just made a little mug rug today with my example. So now chain 1, and now we have 2 chains left. Insert a hook in the last one here and repeat. So now chain 1 and then 2 more, so in total 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Then we're going to turn the work, and now we're going to pull the stitches a little bit like so, and here you see a little gap, and here is another gap, and you're going to insert the hook in the first gap that you see here, so right below those chains here. So insert the hook there, and then repeat what we did. Pull up a loop and yarn over and pull up a loop. Now yarn over and pull through all loops and chain 1. So here in the next one, see we have here a gap and here a gap, and you're going to insert the hook here just below that second chain, or is like it's second V there, or here the first one, if you look at it this way. And we're just going to repeat what we did. So this is all to it. The only thing is when you get to the end of the row, you have to watch out. And here is the next gap. So not here, but here. Here is the next one. And here is the next one. Also remember that chain 1, we always do the chain 1 after the stitch. So here, almost to the end here. Oh now some other yarn is sneaking here. Who also wants to join the fun? So now here is the last stitch. You're just gonna skip this and here go to the chain 3 that we made here in the beginning and insert the hook there before the stitch, the actual stitch, like here, and then repeat like so, and that's all that it is to it, and chain 3 and turn. So now this is how it looks. So you will see when it grows that you can see that the stitches are kind of crossing here. Here's with much like thinner yarn, and here is the example with thicker, like, or not so thick, but this is like acrylic yarn, I think, very soft from Hobby, and this is just cotton yarn. So it has nice texture and everything, this stitch. Okay, so here again, here now you can see better. So, and then so I think this will make nice dishcloth too. So I'm gonna make a bigger one later. Just gonna finish this row with you. And then I'm gonna explain how I made the mug rug. So here is the last stitch again. So now you can see better. So here normally we will insert the hook here, but at the end you just go here after the chain 3 that we did in the beginning. Okay, so that's everything to it. So you can try this out and make a little example. If you want to make a mug rug, I started with a chain of 20 stitches plus 4, so 24 stitches. I used a 3.0mm crochet hook and this yarn from Schachenmeier. This is called Catania. This is a sports weight yarn. And so I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. I did about 14 rows, or you can just put them like this and you can make, so you know, you can make it also bigger or longer if you want to. And I made these little tassels here on the side. To make tassels I used just some of my hand cream, and I'm gonna make a little example. It's nice to like test out different stitches, but it's also nice to make something out of it, I think. So if you have like leftovers, you can do this. So I just put them like this on my like so, and then I just wind it like 25 times. Oops. Like so, and then I carefully remove it. Then I cut the yarn. And now I just make 2 strands here, so cut 2 strands, so 1 and 2, and then just put it like so, and then make a knot, double knot here, so we will, and then just do like this. And now you're gonna grab the other strand that you made and just put it there and make a knot. So try to make this one tight, like so. If they're sticking up, you can pull down the strands a little bit here. So make them as tight as you can. Like so, and then you just cut them cut it like so. Now you trim it. Now you have got yourself a little tassel, and I just put them on the end here. Also, you can just also add fringes if you want to, but this is just a little like idea on what you can do with this stitch. I hope that you like this little stitch tutorial. Let me know if you want to see more of this, and also I would like to hear some ideas on which pattern I can make this year.